Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video. Morningstar announces implementation of year-end shareholder benefits using XRP, announced via the SBI Japan website. Use Google Translate. Then there's a little website here tagged sbigroup.co.japan with a news article. And if you check the website out, you'll find exactly the pictures that XRP also posted down below. And it says, announcement of term and shareholder benefits with virtual currency, crypto asset XRP, and stock newspaper web version. If you go down a little bit further, you can see shareholders. We offer shareholder benefits to shareholders who have at least 1 unit or 100 shares listed or recorded in the shareholder registry as of 31st of March 2020. Contents of special treatment here, you can see it includes XRP, 1 unit, 100 shares or more, presentation of virtual currency XRP at 50 XRP, 50 units, 1,545 yen times 1 equivalent. And then if you move further, virtual currency XRP virtual currency account will be opened by SBI VC Trade Co. Ltd., a virtual currency exchange company of the SBI Group to which the company belongs, and the company will present and transfer 50 XRP of the virtual currency XRP. The company has presented 30 XRP of cryptocurrency XRP to shareholders of September 30th, 2019 as an interim shareholder benefit as of March 31st, combined with a year-end shareholder benefit of 50 XRP as of March 31st, 2020. The annual shareholder benefit of virtual currency XRP will be 80 XRP. So it's the intermediate shareholder special benefit, which is 30 XRP, and of course the term and shareholder benefit, which is 50 XRP, totaling a nice whopping 80 XRP. Again, guys, this is pretty interesting stuff. Yen conversion, about 2,472 yen. 1 XRP is about 30 yen, so yeah, that actually equals out quite well. And there's a little bit more, but that's the most important part. Ultra Bull Frog posted on Twitter, I don't mind investing in XRP and there being a chance of being wrong. But if it's all true, the price movement we will see will be a breathtaking and historic. Are they willing to miss the chance of a lifetime? Those willing to take the risk will receive the greatest reward. And whenever there's no risk, there's no great reward. I don't know if that's completely true, but I kind of feel like it is. It is the case with XRP. The greater the risk, the greater the reward. The more money you put in, the more money you're going to get eventually. And also, there's always a chance of something going wrong, right? Not to be funny, not to take your spirits down, but with anything in the world, there's a chance of something going wrong. There's never 100% certainty. I wanted to make a very foul joke, like, oh, except for you becoming a failure. That's what somebody once said on Twitter. But there's never a 100% certainty that things are going to be going right, and same goes for XRP. But if it all does go right, like we're all expecting and hoping, then this is going to be a breathtaking and historical experience that most likely has never seen before. Actually, for certain, anybody has ever seen before. It's going to be so crazy, because right now, it's not even the hype, right? That was 2017. Right now, if a big run is going to be due to adoption. It's going to be due to real utility. And now this bull run, though, that we're going to be seeing, a lot of analysts, a lot of different guys are saying it won't be as much of a heavy run as we saw before. And some are also saying Bitcoin won't even hit $100,000 in the next bull run. Now, personally, I do not care if Bitcoin doesn't hit 100,000. I mean, theoretically speaking, $20,000 in the next bull run is fine by me, right? Because it's still doubles, a little bit more than double what the prices are right now. It's a 100% bull run. I think that's still quite a nice one, if I do may say so myself. But the bigger picture behind it is, all right, previous time Bitcoin started at X amount of dollars and rose all the way to $20,000. So this time, since Bitcoin starts at 10,000, where is it going to go, right? Some are saying it might hit 100,000, but here's another analyst who's saying that that is not going to be the case. And I mean, there's a ton of these guys over there. Tone Vase says he's looking for BTC to hit a $45,000 high. While Philb argued that the $60,000 mark would be a crucial one, he said, I think we're going to struggle to get past $60,000. I think $60,000 is going to be a rally. Really troublesome level to get across, and I'll certainly be looking to book in some serious profits at this point. What he's trying to say here is, right around that $60,000 mark, you're going to have to go and sell some BTC because it's going to be a very heavy point to get across. And he's most likely going to be doing this, so you make up your own opinion about what you want to do, but that is his plan. Now again, there's not really much info next to all of this. All we know is that a halving is coming up. Some people are saying that that is going to be what's going to be causing this major shift in price. Some are saying that BTC is going to be going to, $100,000 really soon, or even $400,000. But in this case here, Crypto Globe reports various industry personalities have been making notable price predictions over the last few weeks. Max Kaiser, who claims to have predicted BTC would hit $100,000 in 2012, changed his prediction to $400,000. Now, one thing we should always take in mind here, for example, Thomas Lee says Bitcoin could see an almost 100 times increase in price if it got to 5 million users. Whatever. There's a lot of these guys who have a very great benefit in the prices going up, so they will also tell you that these prices are going to go up. Here on the Dusty PC News channel, if you're watching this video, make sure you press the like button, subscribe, and of course, comment down below what coin you select next. We don't have any benefit in those prices going up, or at least in telling you those prices are going to go up, because most likely, 99% sure that all of us combined watching these videos and me making them then are not going to have a difference on the price of BTC or XRP in the end, right? Most likely not. So I personally could not care less if you buy or sell any of these coins. Just get it in the back of your head. And please do not buy your coins because I told you so or anything like that, because I personally really do not care. Just wanted to keep that clear that this channel is purely meant for entertainment and informational purposes, not for financial advice, and definitely not for the benefit of getting these crypto prices up, because I really could not care less, and we're not going to make a difference anyway. Now, speaking about that, XRP, buy, hold, be rich. It's actually that simple with any of these cryptos in the market right now. With any stock, really, if you think about it. You just buy something, you hold on to it, and it makes you money. Same with real estate, same with any asset, really. You just hold it, and you're going to profit eventually from it, unless it's a depreciating asset like a car or things like that, which you sometimes may profit off as well. Now, with XRP, the hope and the goal is to really become rich off of it, I think. And whenever I do my surveys and my little analysis myself of the data I have, I noticed that a lot of people are not here for a very comfortable life. They're not here to make their lives a little bit better. No, they're here to actually change their life from being kind of mediocre to bad to extremely fortunate, to extremely good. And that's why I think people are also hoping for the $1, $10, $100, $589, $1,000 price predictions per XRP, even $10,000 per coin, because that is the point where they're going to be changing their lives from mediocre to average at best to ridiculously lavish. And yeah, it's a hope you can have. That's all I'm going to say on that one. It's a hope you can have. If you're hoping for that, hey, you go right on ahead and hope for it, because, hey, maybe if you keep hoping good enough, you keep buying more coins, you keep doing the buy, hold, be rich tactic, eventually it might pay off and you might actually become what you wanted. Ripple is giving cryptocurrency investors a way to report malicious activity connected to the ledger, the XRP ledger. You can fill out a form asking Ripple to explore theft, scams, suspicious exchanges, money laundering, unauthorized transactions, and financial crime. Ripple battles these XRP scams, launches a new initiative, and yeah, I think that's pretty amazing. I think that's pretty amazing, guys. Right now, there's so many, scams going on right now that, yeah, I think they need to do a lot of things to try to counter it. But here, let's get into it a little bit because I haven't checked it out too far. Although it will investigate matters people can now fill out a request form asking Ripple to explore a long list of unusual activity, including theft, phishing attempts, giveaway scams, suspicious exchanges, money laundering, unauthorized transactions, and financial crimes. Although it will investigate matters connected to the XRP ledger, Ripple says it will not make victims whole and cannot reverse transactions. And actually, this is what they are doing a vote on right now. Of course, everybody in the XRP system already knows this because I told you guys about it. But right now they're doing a vote to make transactions reversible, or at least that's the way I view it. You need to check more into it. I don't know exactly what vote it is, but just check out Ripple or XRP amendment process, and you'll most likely find one of the newest cases. I think they started it back in October. Right now it's still going on. A vote is going on. And how it works with XRP Ledger is they need an 80% for to be able to do it. But what that is for, to say it bluntly or simply, is they want to make it so accounts can be deleted. All right, type in deletable accounts, you'll find it. It's something along those ways. I guess unactivated or whatever you want to call it. Maybe not necessarily deleted all the way, but inactive. And here, to quote, Ledger and the users of XRP Ledger are not customers of Ripple, and therefore Ripple does not have the power to reverse transactions, even in the case of reported financial loss, EX theft. In any sense, in any way, Ripple is not able to get your money back, even if you lose it to something stupid. Even if you send money to the wrong person, you're not going to get it back, but hey. By submitting a request to Ripple, the company says consumers are effectively given the company permission to report the matters to U.S. lawmakers on the federal, state, or local level, and Ripple may also report the issue to international law enforcement or regulatory agencies, and they might help you out, or they might get that person banned. They might be able to get their XRP back eventually through the whole longer process of legal action. Even though with crypto legal action, they're not really falling into the same category. It's extremely difficult to get your money back. Since, for example, here, if I give you an address to send money to, right, and I've never connected my name to that, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to prove exactly that I'm that person. So, yeah. Good luck. If you're ever having an issue like that, good luck, because it's extremely freaking difficult. Now, XRP price prediction. Should traders forget about surge to 30 cents in short term? Should traders expect the XRP price rally to continue or to fall apart in the short term? Now, even though the fast growth of the crypto market has stalled, the top 10 coins remain in the green territory. Litecoin is the top gainer, with its price increasing by almost 7% over the last day. Overall, the XRP price has reduced to around 10 cents according to the weekly chart. The relevant XRP data is looking the following way, and I guess there's a little bit of stats about that. But XRP USD, can bulls come back to 30 cents till the end of February? Yesterday, sellers continued to press and pierced the lower border of the ascending green channel. But the support at 26.6 was able to keep their pair from falling to the area of 0.236. Tonight, buyers pushed the XRP price back into the green corridor and will try to restore the pair to the average price range during that day. Guys, I must admit here, I'm actually pretty happy with the way XRP has been doing. But if overcoming the resistance of the 2-hour moving average does not work out, then the price will look for support at the level of 28 cents in order to consolidate. On the higher time frame, the situation is less optimistic, and even though XRP faced some corrections along its ongoing growth, a deep decline has not occurred so far. In this regard, the nearest price prediction is a drop to the liquidity zone around 25 cents and until the end of this month, or actually the end of the current month. XRP is trading at 27.5 cents at press time. Right now, looking at the charts, XRP is at 28.07, and that's pretty funny to see because I actually would not expect XRP to do good on this day since we're already down 6%. But I guess over the hourly here, it's kind of looking like we're getting back up. On the weekly, though, if you look at the charts, it's not really looking like that. But hey, guys, we're going to be seeing, I think I covered all the articles of today, all my tweets surrounding XRP, Ripple, and whatnot. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you press the like button. If you want more crypto news, make sure you press the subscribe button and comment down below what you'd like to see next. I thank you all for watching, and there's a lot of videos going to be coming out today about some different cryptos, so make sure you watch them all, and I'll see you guys again in another crypto video. Take care, and have a very, very nice day.